Well, hey there, and welcome back to Meaningful Moments with May, and I am May Caleb. And in this space, we get to realign, reflect, and reconnect with what truly matters. And today we're exploring one of the most transformative tools for balance and self-respect, and that is the power of saying no. For many of us, the word no has been conditioned to feel uncomfortable, even selfish. We worry it might disappoint someone or close the door. But what if saying no isn't rejection? What if saying no is redirection? Because every time you say no to something that drains you, you say yes to something that nourishes you. Let's explore why saying no feels so hard in the first place. We live in a culture that glorifies yes. Yes to more work. Yes to every request. Yes to being constantly available. We're taught that saying yes means we're kind, capable, and committed. But here's the truth. Constantly saying yes to others while saying no to yourself leads straight to burnout. And you can't pour endlessly from an empty cup. Saying no isn't selfish, it's self-honoring. So here's a greater understanding about the energy behind saying no. No is an energetic boundary. It's how you protect your peace, your time, and your emotional space. When you say no from alignment, not anger or guilt, you're teaching others and yourself what is and isn't okay for your well-being. Saying no doesn't mean you're rejecting people. It means you're choosing presence over pressure, intention over obligation. It's how you keep your energy sacred so you can give from fullness instead of depletion. So let's talk about the empowered no. Here are 3 ways to practice saying no with confidence and grace. First, pause before you agree to something. When someone asks something of you, don't rush to respond. Check in with your energy first. Do I have the mental and/or physical capacity for this right now? Second, replace guilt with honesty. You can say no kindly. For example, thank you for thinking of me, but I don't have the space for this right now. Or I'd love to support you, but I need to honor my limits this week. Years ago, I woke up one morning and made the proclamation to myself and everyone that I no longer operate from a place of guilt. And this has been a game changer for me. And third, remember what you're saying yes to instead. Every no creates space for something aligned. Rest, creativity, clarity, peace. And let's not forget there's a connection between boundaries and self-respect. Boundaries are how you teach the world and how to treat you, but even more importantly, they're how you show yourself what you value. When you hold boundaries from love instead of fear, you communicate, I respect my energy. I honor my peace. I'm enough, even when I rest. And that's what true balance looks like. Not doing everything, but doing what truly aligns with you. So let's take a deep, grounding breath. Think about something you've been saying yes to out of guilt or fear or obligation. And ask yourself gently, what would happen if I said no with love, with honesty, with self-respect? Notice how your body responds. If it exhales in relief, that's your truth speaking. Your no is powerful. It's not the end of something, it's the beginning of balance. So when you say no with clarity and compassion, you create the space for what's meant for you to flow in effortlessly. So today, I invite you to practice one empowered no. Say no to what drains you and yes to your peace, because self-respect is the foundation of balance, and no is one of the most sacred languages. Thank you for sharing this meaningful moment with me. And if this episode resonated with you, share it with someone who's learning to honor their energy too. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me and others along the way. Until next time, stay grounded, stay clear, and honor your sacred yes and honor your sacred no. Bye for now.